Tired of manual follow-ups? Discover how GoHighLevel automates your entire sales funnel. 44% of salespeople stop after the first follow-up, and only 52% of salespeople actually make any effort at all to follow up. 80% of sales need at least 5 follow-ups in order to be closed. That means either you or your team either need to do a ton of manual work, or you can leverage something like GoHighLevel to do it for you. Sales automation is the difference between having record month after record month and missing your goals and just being average. Now, on average, you will see an increase of about 10% in sales productivity across the board from every aspect, every KPI, when you have automated sales follow-ups. There's a 29% increase in sales quota success with CRM usage. And lastly, companies using marketing automation in many different ways to be able to use software and get an increase in their business see an average of 451% increase in lead qualification. So that means not only are they getting more out of their business, they are taking their sales and they are turning that on to a completely different level, but they are qualifying leads and spending more time with their ideal client profiles and less time worrying about all the people that are broke and or not their ideal client. Sounds great, doesn't it? Now, the bottom line here is that sales automation and follow-ups lead to more money, more closed deals. In this video, we are going to discuss setting up automated follow-ups, leveraging prospecting tools, and integrating with existing workflows to make your sales process and business overall more efficient. And at the end, I'm going to share some amazing bonuses that we have available using GHL and how it can be leveraged to get you even more leads and build your authority. The first step with all of this is setting up automated follow-ups. Within that, you want to create automated campaigns. So designing follow-up sequences using GoHighLevel's campaign builder to plug and play the gaps where you're doing a bunch of manual work. Now, some of these examples could be email sequences, text follow-ups, and even voice drops or ringless voicemails. And with all of this stuff, you want to make sure not only is it personalized, but it's timed correctly. X amount of days from discovery call to proposal call, missed meeting, reminder, all of those different things. The importance of the personalized message and setting the right timing for follow-ups can be the difference between somebody going to that next step in your pipeline and completely ghosting you forever. And then we want to implement trigger-based actions. When X happens in the system. So setting triggers for follow-up actions based on user behavior. That could be email opens, no-show to meetings, link clicks, and more. And with all this, you want to demonstrate the key activities, right? As you're trying to build this workflow out for your system, you want to plug and play the gaps that you currently have that are either not being done inefficiently, and or take up a lot of manual labor by your team that could easily be automated. Now, I would ask you as you're watching and listening to this video, are you effectively automating your sales process with CRMs and automations, whether it's GoHighLevel or not? This is the game changer you are looking for in your business to take the amount of leads you're already getting and squeeze more revenue out of them. Now, once you have all these automations set up, it's time to leverage some key prospecting tools that are available within GoHighLevel. So we have things like lead capture and segmentation. You can use GHL to capture leads from various sources, whether that's landing pages, forms that you put on websites or on social media, and or social media leads that come in from direct messenger, comments, etc. And then you want to segment those leads based on criteria such as engagement level, their overall interest at the time of lead, and the behavior of really who they are and their client profile versus your ideal client profile, where they might be in the buying process. And from there, you can start to automate some of this prospecting stuff. You can do that. You can automate the process of reaching out to new prospects by using predefined templates and sequences that meet them where they're at and don't sound AI driven or automated really at all. And you can nurture cold leads into warm prospects. You can do database reactivation on past clients. There's so many incredible things that you can do with this. And then all of this stuff gets integrated in order to track interactions and manage prospects through the entire sales funnel. So you're really connecting all of the dots from A to Z, from prospect to being a customer and ongoing. And then you're able to sync that prospecting data with your entire CRM for a seamless process throughout the entire interaction. If you're getting any value from this video, make sure to hit the like button on this video and leave a comment, provide some feedback, and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified every single time we launch a new video. Now, lastly, and the best part of all this is that you can integrate everything with your existing workflows. GoHighLevel can get integrated with other existing tools and platforms that you have out there. You can integrate your email. You can integrate all the different pipelines. You can integrate text messages. You can integrate your website. Everything works seamlessly. And there can either be native integrations inside of GoHighLevel, or you can use the API to go outside and integrate stuff into the platform as well. It's pretty freaking awesome. And with data syncing, it allows you to keep customer and prospect data across all these different platforms. So I know there's a lot of contractors out there probably watching this video. You might be, how do I use GoHighLevel with X, Y, and Z? All of these things can be integrated so that way they work hand in hand with each other. And once you have that centralized data management, it's really awesome, the data you're going to get to be able to see performance and start tracking that. You can use GoHighLevel's analytics to measure the effectiveness of automated follow-ups and prospecting efforts, all these individual things from open rates to cost per leads, response rates, and overall conversions. Now, as we wrap up here today with this video, I hope that by the time you're still watching this video, you understand the importance of sales follow-up and automating it to make things more efficient, get better results, and make more money. With GoHighLevel, you can set these automated follow-ups, you can leverage the prospecting tools available, and then you can integrate them with inside of your existing workflows. If you haven't done so already, I would encourage you to watch some of our previous videos on how GoHighLevel can help take your business to the next level. Now, if you're not on GoHighLevel already and you're curious to see how this works, click the link in the description for a free trial so you can test out some of these game-changing features for yourself. We actually have a free and extended 30-day free trial with a ton of personal branding bonuses that we're not going to charge you for. So click the link below and help see how this can transform your business. And if you want to scale your business with personal branding and digital marketing, but need some guidance and assistance, we have our free Facebook group in the description as well. You can go ahead and click the link and join that, or type in Builders of Authority on Facebook. Daily content, live weekly trainings, and much more. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you get notified each and every single time we publish a new video. If you got value out of this video, like, comment, provide some feedback. And lastly, remember, authority isn't built overnight, it's built over time.